Hey everybody! Thank you for clicking on another YouTube video. Today I'm going to just get ready for the day and film me doing my makeup. It's going to be my little makeup routine. The products will be in the description box with a price point so you can shop if you see anything you like. It's the holiday season, so maybe you want to send your hubby, your boyfriend, significant other, mom, dad, get them presents, or any ideas for family members. I'm also just going to interrupt this video by showing you what I prep my skin with. I just prepped my skin with this moisturizer. It's by First Aid Beauty. And for my under eyes, I used this Origins Gin Zing moisturizer for my under eye. And I already looked at Sephora's like holiday collections that they put together. They do a bunch of like sample sizes from different products, and I know First Aid Beauty has one, and so does Origins. So if you're interested in those products, they definitely have gift sets available. Well guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you liked the look. Of course I did it a little more extra glam for YouTube. But typically like this is my makeup routine, just like a little bit more subtle. As I was doing this makeup look, I realized it's also perfect for the holidays. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe. I do a lot of videos on skincare, my pregnancy, that's like the #1 thing of course, and beauty and lifestyle. So hopefully you stick around.